Hello viewers, welcome to the second video of the playlist C++ and our topic is variables and in the previous video we learned about introduction downloading software and we just understand the syntax of C++ and today we will discuss that the value we write or anything we store, where it is stored actually, how it uh, occupies the memory uh, in the computer while programming. So first we revise our syntax, and this is the syntax. So let's start. So variable in C++ is a very important concept. A variable C++ is like a container that stores data. Uh, for variable, you can think of it like a glass of water, and the water inside is the value stored in it. Just like you can change the water in the glass, you can also change the value inside a variable. For example, if the value is stored in is 1, you can update it with 2, or you can replace it with the character, uh, and there are many different types of data types, that is float, char, and number. So we will further discuss in the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel so I continue further these kinds of video and try to help other students. So we are discussing about the types of variables, which are float, char, which stores character, int, which stores value like 1, 2, 3, and string, which stores a long uh, line like a string, like my name is purple, and char is used to store a small value. Each uh, data type has a specific size and store a specific amount of data and allocates a specific memory. uh, so most common is int, which is used to store the value. For example, numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. And you can store any number you want. So let's start with the basic and simple examples, so we can understand that how the value is stored in it. So basically it is our first main video, so it might be lengthy, but it will give you a clear concept about variable. So we will start with int. We will write the data type that we are using. If we are storing an integer value, we will use int and we will give the name to it. I am giving this to r, and you can give any name you want, just like a, b, c, or whatever, and you can also replace the value 1 with any other number. And we will use c out, and the name of the data type we declare, and keep make sure that you are writing the syntax properly. These kind of small mistakes, like missing round brackets, curly brackets, and even a semicolon will cause error in the code. And int is the data type, r is its name, and 1 is the value stored in it. And we will see out and we will run the program by pressing F11. Hence you can see the value is printed as 1. So here our code run successfully. So you can see that in this way we will store any kind of integer value in it. Now we will move toward the next type data type, which is char. Char basically used to store a character, and like A or B, C, and this type. We will the parameters will remain same. We will write the data type and its name, and then we will write we want to store. So, but the main common mistake I am showing to you is that we don't have to use the double colon. It will show error to you because in while using character and while storing a small value or a single letter, we have to apply a single colon. Otherwise, it will show error to you, and you can see that. So we will fix this error. And when we use a single colon like that, we will see that our code will run, and avoid to use these types of common mistake, and try to revise as a beginner syntax daily, and make sure practice. And for long length sentences, like subscribe to code with purple, we use string, and we will store as the same line. I will show you further in the video. For strings we will use double colon, and here is the example of a string 2. We will change its data type name, its type, and we will type our sentence. But before typing, we will use a double semicolon, and we will write what we want to store. For example, I am storing code with purple, and I am closing it and just see out with the name. So you can see that it is showing code with purple, and our program runs successfully. But what if we want to store values in decimal, like 1 point something, 1.4, 2.7, 2.4, 2.9, 3.4? We can't store these type of point or a decimal value in int, and we use float instead of int, and we don't use any kind of colon or semicolon in int or float. And here you can see through this way we will store our decimal point. Just also add another value for as a proof, so you can see that our value has stored, and we run the code successfully. So here is the just main points to revise, that which data type stores what value. And for long lengths we use string, decimals we use float, for single character we use char. I hope that you will understand the key concept, basic concept of a variable. And in the next video we will discuss about loops and arrays, and we will see that how you can print all values in a loop wise without showing the output of each separately. And the main point is that all data types have a specific size and can store only a certain amount of values, and can't store more than it. So I make sure that you like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So it is a kind of sport to me, which motivates me to more create more videos. Thanks, and wait two more days for the next video. Thanks.